Fernando works at a clothing store. Each week he earns $120 plus 25% commission on any clothing he sells. The equation shown below can be used to determine the total amount Y in dollars Fernando earns in a week during which he sells X dollars worth of clothing. Y equals 0.25x plus 120. The ordered pair 225, 176.25 is a solution of the equation. What does this solution represent in the context of the situation? Well, this is in the form y equals mx plus b. They tell me that the b value here, or let's just rewrite the equation, y equals 0.25x plus 120. What we know from the original problem is that the 120 is the base weekly earnings. So it's really the minimum that he can make. If he would sell no clothing, he would still get $120. Then we are looking for X next. So X, it said what X was in the problem. X is up here. X dollars worth of clothing. So here, this is the amount of money of clothes sold, and we have next the 0.25 we know from the original problem was from the 25% commission. Again, this is in decimal form, the 0.25, but that is 25% commission. And the last part here, Y, it says what Y is. Y, from the original problem, is the total amount. So Y is the total amount earned. So if we read our multiple choice options now, Part A says, in a week during which Fernando sells $176.25 worth of clothing, he earns a total of $225. Well, another thing I want to point out here is with an ordered pair, the first part, the 225, is the X. The Y is the second one, so it cannot be A. Part B, in a week during which Fernando sells $176.25 worth of clothing, he earns $225 in commission. That's not correct because the 225 is the 225 is the X value, and X is the amount of money of clothes sold. Part C, in a week during which Fernando sells $225 worth of clothing, again, X needed to be the 225. He earns a total of, that was the Y value, 176.25. And that matches the information above, which is why answer C is the correct answer.